Would you like to be polite in Russian? But the only way to say please, is пожалуйста. And that's already a great start. But seriously, sometimes it sounds too formal and sometimes it's just not enough. Like, what if you want to sound more casual with your Russian friends? Or what if you need to be extra polite with your girlfriend's babushka? Привет, студенты! I'm Полина, and today I'm showing you 10 ways to say please in Russian. Trust me, after this video you will stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a real person. Whether you are asking your Russian boyfriends or girlfriend's mother to pass the salt or trying to get directions from a stranger, I have got you covered. Plus, at the end, I'm teaching you one interesting slang expression, so stay with me till the end. And before we jump in, grab my free Russian vocabulary guide. If you haven't yet, I will leave the link in the description. So let's begin our chart with the one you probably already know. Yes, I'm talking about пожалуйста, пожалуйста. This is the simplest universal way to express politeness. By the way, this word actually also means you're welcome. And I'm asking you, please remember that, because if you're using Google Translate, then in such situations as please, you're welcome, it can give you the literal translation as добро пожаловать, which is not suitable. No, no, no. Our next ways to say please are going to be more formal, which you can use in a written language, for example, in business email. Будьте добры. That means, could you be kind to... No. Прошу вас is another way to politely and formally ask someone, which means I'm asking you. Next phrase, or to be precise, a question, will make you sound even more polite and humble. Не могли бы вы? That means, could you please? If you are asking someone for a favor, then you better say сделайте одолжение. That literally means do me a favor. If you want to impress others by sounding fancy or old-fashioned, then you can use the variant извольте. Извольте. In some puns, it can be quite suitable, otherwise it can still be used in books. One more phrase we're about to cover will rather make you sound pretty insistent and straightforward, so you should use it carefully. Потрудитесь. Потрудитесь. That means do the effort. You see, pretty straightforward. Let's take a quick look at more elaborate ones. Не откажите в любезности. If you'd be so kind, and для вас не составит труда. It won't be a big trouble for you. These two can be used in the written form rather than in a spoken language, and they make you sound very polite and well-mannered. Finally, my favorite part. Slang variant of saying please in Russian is по-братски. По-братски. This phrase literally means like for a brother, and can be used when you're talking with your bro, with your buddy, and asking for something. For example, we can say, do it for me like for a brother. Сделай это для меня по-братски. That equals to saying, do it for me, please. Well done! And now you can ask for things in Russian without sounding like a textbook. Remember, it's all about matching your tone to the situation. Casual with friends, polite with strangers. And if this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Russian lessons. Пока-пока!